Me, Mama, I'm taking a picture now, a video. Do you want to tell us what did we discover here?
Okay, let me see. Today is the 28th of... It's Jonathan's birthday, the 28th of February. Is this recording?
Yeah.
And we went to the supermarket just after Mommy was released from the hospital.
Right.
And we hope for 1,000 years of good health for her.
Of course.
And
first things first is health.
This very quarter from Adam's pocket for obtaining a wagon in the supermarket to buy food.
Right.
And here is the picture.
But what's special about this quarter?
It's a North Dakota quarter.
Right, and I've been talking about North Dakota for the last 4 months.
Which is news to me.
4 weeks. 4 weeks. Which is news to you. And I'm going to do business there. Big business.
Okay.
And this is a sign.
Let's multiply this quarter by a million.
More than a million. 2
million. 5
million.
million.
5 million. 10 million.
A lot of millions.
20.
It should grow
by
big.
10 million. Oh, okay.
Kiss, kiss. Good luck.
Multiply it for Edgar and happiness.
Yeah, of course, of course. It's all about it, guy. You're right. The challenge and happiness. I agree. I agree.
In good health.
Of course. And here you're doing the same. You're taking a picture. Beautiful.